The world of fitness often feels like a boxing ring, with cardio and weight training facing off as fierce competitors. Cardio, with its focus on endurance and heart health, seems pitted against weight training, the champion of strength and muscle building. But what if this rivalry is a misconception? What if these fitness titans are actually allies, working together to achieve ultimate health and well-being? This isn't about choosing sides, it's about recognizing the unique strengths of both cardio and weight training and how their combined power can unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. It's about understanding that a balanced approach, incorporating both forms of exercise, is the key to achieving optimal fitness and unlocking your full physical potential. Imagine a workout routine that not only strengthens your heart and lungs but also builds lean muscle mass, boosts your metabolism, and helps prevent chronic diseases. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality of integrating cardio and weight training into your life. So let's step out of the boxing ring mentality and embrace a more holistic approach to fitness, one where cardio and weight training join forces to create a winning combination for a healthier, stronger, and more energetic you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, is all about getting your heart rate up and your blood pumping. It's the kind of exercise that makes you breathe harder and feel your pulse throbbing in your ears. Think running, swimming, biking, dancing, activities that require sustained effort and get your heart working over time. Cardio is the champion of heart health. It strengthens your heart muscle, improves blood flow, and helps regulate blood pressure. Regular cardio workouts can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems, but the benefits of cardio extend beyond your heart. It improves lung capacity, boosts your metabolism, helps control blood sugar levels, and even enhances your mood. Cardio is a powerful tool for improving overall health and well-being. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a run, taking a spin class, or dancing the night away, cardio is an essential component of a balanced fitness routine. It's the key to a healthier heart, stronger lungs, and a more energetic you. Weight training, also known as resistance training, is the practice of using weights or resistance to challenge your muscles. It's about pushing your physical limits, lifting heavy objects, and feeling the burn as your muscles work hard. Think lifting dumbbells, using weight machines, or even doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. Weight training is the architect of a strong and sculpted physique. It builds muscle mass, increases strength and power, and improves bone density. Regular weight training can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve posture, and boost your metabolism. But the benefits of weight training go beyond aesthetics. It enhances functional fitness, making everyday activities easier. It strengthens connective tissues, improves balance and coordination, and even boosts cognitive function. Weight training is about building a body that is not only strong but also resilient and capable. Whether you're pumping iron at the gym, using resistance bands at home, or challenging yourself with bodyweight exercises, weight training is a crucial element of a well-rounded fitness program. It's the foundation for a stronger, more resilient, and more capable you. For years, the fitness world seemed divided, cardio enthusiasts on one side, weightlifters on the other. But emerging research suggests this separation is not only unnecessary, but potentially counterproductive. Combining cardio and weight training unlocks a synergistic effect, maximizing the benefits of both and creating a powerful force for overall health and well-being. Think of it like this: cardio strengthens your cardiovascular system, the engine that powers your body. Weight training builds muscle mass, the framework that supports your body. Together, they create a powerful synergy, enhancing each other's benefits and creating a more robust and resilient you. This synergy translates into real-world benefits. Combining cardio and weights can lead to greater fat loss, improved body composition, and enhanced athletic performance. It can also boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. The key is finding the right balance. It's not about choosing one over the other, but about integrating both into a comprehensive fitness plan. This balanced approach allows you to reap the unique benefits of each, creating a powerful synergy that optimizes your health and fitness. The evidence is clear. Combining cardio and weight training isn't just about looking good, it's about living longer and healthier. Studies have consistently shown that individuals who engage in both types of exercise have a lower risk of premature death from all causes, including heart disease, cancer, and respiratory diseases. One landmark study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine followed over 80,000 adults for an average of 9 years. The researchers found that those who engaged in both aerobic and muscle-strengthening activities had a 47% lower risk of death from any cause compared to those who were inactive. Another study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that adults who met the recommended guidelines for both aerobic and muscle-strengthening activities had a 20% lower risk of death from any cause compared to those who met only the aerobic guidelines. These findings highlight the profound impact of combined training on longevity. It's not simply about adding years to your life, but about adding life to your years. By incorporating both cardio and weights into your routine, you're making a powerful investment in your long-term health and well-being. The benefits of combined training extend beyond the physical realm, profoundly impacting mental health and well-being. Cardio and weight training, working in unison, create a powerful force for boosting mood, reducing stress, and improving overall mental health. Cardio, with its ability to release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in the brain, is a well-known mood booster. It can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve sleep quality, and enhance cognitive function. Weight training, by challenging you physically and mentally, can boost self-esteem and confidence. It can provide a sense of accomplishment, improve body image, and promote a sense of control over your physical well-being. Combining these two forms of exercise creates a synergistic effect, maximizing the mental health benefits of each. It's about feeling good both inside and out, achieving a state of physical and mental well-being that empowers you to thrive in all aspects of your life. So the next time you're feeling stressed or down, lace up your running shoes or grab those dumbbells. Remember, exercise is not just about physical health, it's a powerful tool for nurturing your mental well-being as well. In the battle against the bulge, combined training emerges as a formidable weapon. Cardio and weight training working in harmony create a powerful force for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Cardio, with its calorie-burning prowess, is a cornerstone of weight loss. It helps you create a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume, which is essential for shedding those extra pounds. Weight training, by building muscle mass, boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. It also improves body composition, shifting your body towards a leaner, more toned physique. The synergy between cardio and weight training creates a powerful 1-2 punch for weight management. Cardio helps you shed pounds, while weight training helps you keep them off by building a more metabolically active body. But it's not just about losing weight, it's about achieving a healthy and sustainable weight, one that supports your overall health and well-being. Combined training with its balanced approach helps you achieve this goal, creating a body that is not only lean but also strong and resilient. Bone health, often overlooked in the pursuit of fitness, is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, and combined training with its unique blend of cardio and weights emerges as a powerful ally in strengthening your skeletal system. Weight training, by placing stress on your bones, stimulates bone growth and increases bone density. This is particularly important as we age, as bone density naturally declines, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Cardio, particularly weight-bearing activities like running and jumping, also contributes to bone health by stimulating bone remodeling. This process helps maintain bone strength and prevent age-related bone loss. The combination of cardio and weight training creates a synergistic effect, maximizing the bone-strengthening benefits of each. It's about building a skeletal system that is not only strong but also resilient, capable of supporting your body throughout your life. So, whether you're lifting weights at the gym or hitting the pavement for a run, remember that you're not just building muscle and burning calories. You're also investing in the health of your bones, creating a solid foundation for a long and active life. Flexibility and mobility, often overlooked in the pursuit of strength and endurance, are essential components of overall fitness, and combined training with its balanced approach can play a significant role in improving your ability to move freely and effortlessly. Cardio, particularly activities like yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi, can improve flexibility and range of motion. These activities focus on stretching and lengthening muscles, promoting greater ease of movement and reducing the risk of injuries. Weight training, when performed correctly with full range of motion, can also enhance flexibility and mobility. It helps strengthen muscles throughout their entire range of motion, improving joint stability and reducing stiffness. The combination of cardio and weight training creates a synergistic effect, maximizing the flexibility and mobility benefits of each. It's about moving with grace and ease, enjoying a body that is not only strong and fit but also supple and agile. So, whether you're flowing through a yoga sequence or lifting weights with precision, remember that you're not just building strength and endurance. You're also enhancing your flexibility and mobility, creating a body that moves with freedom and grace. The ultimate fitness battle isn't about choosing sides, it's about finding the right balance. Combining cardio and weight training, integrating the strengths of both, is the winning formula for a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant you. This balanced approach doesn't require a rigid formula, it's about tailoring your workouts to your individual needs and goals. Listen to your body, experiment with different activities, and find a routine that you enjoy and can sustain over time. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week, along with 2 to 3 strength training sessions. But beyond the numbers, it's about finding joy in movement, embracing the challenge, and celebrating the progress you make along the way. It's about recognizing that fitness is not a destination, but a lifelong journey, one that is best traveled with a balanced and integrated approach. So step out of the boxing ring mentality and embrace the power of synergy. Combine cardio and weight training, find your balance, and unlock your full fitness potential. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is our guiding star. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.